Bore da, croeso I gwasanaeth dathliad. Good morning and welcome to our celebration assembly. Let's see who has had an amazing week, gone above and beyond, and been ready, safe and respectful. Firstly, a special mention to both of our Year 5 classes who went on a fantastic day out at Atlantic College this week, taking part in lots of adventurous activities. The children were amazing and behaved superbly. And now it's time for golden wristbands, and in our morning nursery, Miss Marshall Clucas has awarded golden wristbands to Brooklyn Christopher and Prabjit Singh. And in our afternoon nursery, Miss Marshall Clucas has chosen Tanisha Ahmed and Jaden Dale. In our reception classes, Mrs. McLagan and Mrs. Haggett have chosen 2 boys for practicing their handwriting and letter formation at home and at school, persevering until they got it right. Harlan Dawson and Oliver Simpson. Next door in Miss Harries' class, she's chosen Sienna Gristwood Dolan for fantastic retelling of the 3 Billy Goats Gruff, and Aria Griffiths for always trying her best to follow the Windsor Clive way. In Year 1 this week, Mrs. Jonas and Mrs. Lace have awarded their golden wristbands to Matilda Bickety and Ilijah Adekola for being ready, safe and respectful. In Mrs. Mogford's Year 1 class this week, her golden wristbands have gone to Ilijah-Leigh Hunter because she has worked hard and followed the Windsor Clive way, and Elijah Ricks for being so enthusiastic about our talk for writing on the carpet. Now in Year 2, and Mrs. Lansing and Mrs. Prothero have given their wristbands to Zane Hack for always following the Windsor Clive way, and Rosalie O'Donovan for trying really hard with her maths work this week. In Mrs. Thompson's Year 2 class, 2 children who have been listening straight away all week and being really respectful. Conell Parsons and Safi Jeng. In the Wellbeing class this week, Mrs. Harris has chosen Amira Brockway and Lucas Griffiths for being ready, safe and respectful. In Key Stage 2 and in Miss Andrews' Year 3 class, this week she has chosen Kayden Bolton and Lexi Hill because both children have impressed staff around the school this week. In our other Year 3 class this week, Mrs. MacDonald has awarded golden wristbands to Levi Giles for amazing football skills and Ava Lewis for always trying her best. Next, in Year 4, Mrs. Haggett and Mrs. Fancourt have chosen Jake Rawlings and Summer Dunn this week for always trying their best in everything they are asked to do. In Miss Harrod's Year 4 class this week, 2 children have gone above and beyond by following the Windsor Clive way. Allyse Gerald and Zaid Sulub. In Year 5 and in Miss Coslett's class, 2 children that have stood out this week are Andy Guo, who's made an excellent start to his new school, and Kiara Stewart. Next door in Miss Morris's Year 5 class, she has awarded her golden wristbands to Angel Matami and Leah Ngo for being ready, safe and respectful in Year 5 this week. In Year 6 and in Mrs. Mings' class, 2 children have done excellent work in maths across the week, Richard Diespecker and Maleeha Hamilton. And finally, in Year 6 and in Miss Cruz's class, the golden wristbands this week go to Abdul Khan and Mercedes Giles. Great work everybody this week. Have a fantastic Friday and a lovely weekend.